Well, just in time for Severe Weather Awareness Week,
Yes.
we've had our share this
We
week.
had it this weekend. So let's get to the next one today. Yesterday was lightning. Today it is rip currents, and rip currents are very dangerous. Get a load of this. Yesterday I said there were 38 deaths nationally from rip currents. Well, 80 nationally of rip current, I should say lightning yesterday, 80 in rip currents nationally in 2016. It's this area of water that's not breaking. You see it right there. It's hard to distinguish. It's a fast stream of water moving out to the Gulf. You can get caught into it. What you're supposed to do is not panic for one. Try to swim out of the rip current and then back to the coast. If you can't, just kind of ride it out as best you can, but still swim parallel to the coast at the same time, and then eventually get back to where the waves are breaking. So that's a very dangerous situation. There's 17 deaths as a result of rip currents in Florida last year. That's more than lightning that occurred here in the state too, and most of those were along the east coast where a lot of surfing is usually done. Weather headlines for us read like this: a cold front late Thursday and then a cooler weekend ahead with some showers on Sunday. This next cold front though not going to produce any rough weather like we just saw with the last one. 65 degrees. Dew point is comfortable, 55. Winds are out of the northwest at 7, and the high today did manage to get to 72, 1 degree above the average of 71. This morning's low was at 59 degrees. We'll be a few degrees below that tomorrow. No rainfall to report. We're not anticipating a lot of rain with the next fronts. We'll see how that plays out. But 65 degrees in Tallahassee right now, 61 in Jacksonville, and 68 in Orlando. In the mid-70s in Miami right now, 76 degrees there. Mid to upper 60s right near the coast, still into the low 70s in Sebring, Arcadia, and Lake Placid. The Gulf water temperature now 69 degrees and expected to drop down significantly over the weekend as a result of a couple of fronts, though. 55 for the low tonight. There will be some fog forming that could be rather thick in some areas, so keep that in mind as we move through time, especially late tonight and tomorrow morning. Well, Futurecast is indicating a large area of high pressure has moved in behind that front, and that means we're looking at generally fair skies tonight. Fair skies, light winds will allow that fog to form and temperatures dropping down to near the dew point. Here comes the next front. There's not much to it. The low pressure area is well to the north, so there won't be a tremendous amount of lift with this, but we will see a thin line of showers start to develop with it and some increasing clouds on Thursday morning. You'll notice that the rain, though, is not all that impressive on this particular model as it moves on through. A chance for showers comes late Thursday and into Friday morning. Eventually another chance for showers as the secondary front will move through. Well, the nor'easter continues to cause all sorts of problems here from Maine down into Vermont, New Hampshire, and into eastern portions of New York. Some snow falling near Ottawa, and temperature Boston 37 degrees, 33 in Buffalo. Temperatures are not extremely cold there, so most of the precipitation was rain today. 20 in Rapid City, 51 in Wichita. Dallas now at 78, in Houston at 73 degrees, and 58 in Atlanta, 63 at Myrtle Beach. Now, the forecast, as far as temperatures go, it's going to stay pretty cold to the north of us. We're going to stay rather warm here. Mid-70s tomorrow, even some upper 70s on Thursday before the cool air arrives and winter returns. Southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Out on the water is a light to moderate chop. The water temperature now at 69 degrees. Tides upcoming. High tide will be at 9:31. And the forecast tonight, some patchy fog. Mostly fair. Seasonal temperatures, mid-50s, some lower 50s well inland. Tomorrow, some morning fog burning off, then 75. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10. The extended forecast looks to be pretty good, although a chance for showers late Thursday. Will cool down on Saturday and Sunday with a 60% chance for rain. Just showers on Sunday.